How to install Signal on iOS. Grab your phone and tap on the App Store. That's the blue icon with a white A. Found it? Awesome. Tap on the source bar at bottom and type Signal. Look for the blue speech bubble icon. That's the one. Tap Get. You may need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to confirm. Your iPhone will start downloading Signal. Don't worry, it won't take long. Once installed, tap Open. Welcome to Signal. We are almost done. Tap Continue. Signal will ask for permission like contacts and notification. Tap Continue. Tap Allow to make sure everything works perfectly. Don't worry, your chats are private. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you install Signal on your iPhone, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so your friend can also enjoy secure messaging. Happy chatting. Thank you for watching.